This week on Catamount Adventures, we took a trip to Bridal Falls in Utah. Aubrey is still injured from the four-wheeler accident 3 weeks ago, so it was only Caleb and I on this trip. Bridal Falls is a 607-foot tall double waterfall in Provo Canyon. It is one of our family favorite places to be and is about a 20-minute drive from Orem, Utah. We also had an unexpected surprise as a storm quickly rolled into the valley that had us scrambling for a solution. If you enjoy following along with us, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. It is free and is the easiest way to help us create a valuable channel. This week we've had a little bit of a difficult time trying to figure out exactly what to do, because I've wanted to go out to the Dugway geode beds with the kids, but seeing that Aubrey's foot still hurt and it's hard for her to get around, still we've backed off on that idea. I went golfing this morning. As I was golfing, I kind of thought to myself, maybe I'll pick Caleb up from school and head up to Bridal Falls, or even fell through. Aubrey's foot still hurt. I'd planned to have her come along with her scooter here, but she's in a bit of pain, so she just stayed back at home. We pulled the lawn chair out and she was able to lay in the backyard and be in the sun as well. Here we go. You want to go across the bridge? Okay, go across it and then come back. Show me how fast you are. You getting nervous? You can go across the whole thing if you want. You ready to go? You see the waterfall? There it is. There it is! You a hiking maniac? You got it! I'm right behind you! You got it! Go up to the flat part right over there. You're a good hiker. Okay. Oh. You making it? You got it. I made it. You did it! How are you doing?
I made it.
You made it. That's where we parked, down there, so not much of a hike. A little bit of a hike with the little Mini here, but we've had fun doing it.
That's the biggest waterfall I've ever seen. Ah! Very crazy! Oh no!
You got it?
Oh no! Oh no!
Wow. So we did the ending to the video, and then just barely had this wind kick the trampoline up in the air, so we're throwing this in prior to the end of the video. You'll see me say goodbye just minutes after that. The wind blew the trampoline, so we've got to put that in there.
It picked up the tramp from like right there all the way over there. Jeez.
I guess we'll just tie it to this stake over here. The trampoline picked up from in the yard and flew all the way over to this spot here. We've just got to make sure it's anchored down in some way.
Ah, here comes the wind. Okay. I think we're good.
How crazy was that?
Crazy.
All right, everybody, this is where we are going to say goodbye for this week. It's a bit of a short week. I've got to work over the weekend, so make sure if you haven't already, click the like and subscribe down below. You can follow along with us. We enjoy having you along the ride. For this next week, hopefully we can get out and go do some fun things as a full family. We'll see what comes of it. Until then, we'll see you next time.